Today, I'll be showing you how to buy Qubetics Token. So first, using ticks with wicks and a dex, here's a step-by-step guide on how to buy Qubetics Token. So first, get a crypto wallet, download and set up a compatible crypto wallet, and some popular options includes MetaMask for Ethereum and Phantom for Solana. So next, buy USDT on Wix and then select the buy crypto option on the Wix homepage. Purchase USDT by Tether on Wix using your preferred payment method and then send USDT to your wallet and withdraw your USDT from Wix to your newly created wallet address. And next, connect your wallet to a DEX. Choose a DEX that supports the cryptocurrency you want and connect your wallet. Popular choices includes Uniswap, PancakeSwap, and SushiSwap. After that, swap your USDT for Qubetics. Select the USDT to Qubetics trading pair and enter the amount you want to exchange. Review transaction details carefully such as fees, gas fees on Ethereum, and potential slippage before confirming. And that's how you buy Qubetics token.